Greetings, Earthlings. I'm back with a review of a $10 microphone. So today I'm reviewing this guy, the Zethydum Studio Condenser Broadcasting Microphone Kit thingy. If you do want to pick it up, it'll set you back $9 or $10 on Amazon. That's right. I'll throw some links down below. So for this review, I'm connecting the mic directly to the Xenyx 302 USB through the 3.5mm microphone input. My gain is set at about 1 o'clock, and my mic volume is set dead center. And before you leave a comment asking me, why are you using the Xenyx 302 and not the 2i2 2nd gen? Well, I tried to use the 2i2 2nd gen with an XLR to XLR cable, and these were my results. Now I've connected the microphone directly to the 2i2 2nd gen using an XLR to XLR cable with the phantom power on, and I had to increase my gain to 100% to get any signal, and I'm still only hitting about negative 18 decibels on my meter at my peaks. So now let's talk about what comes in the box. Obviously, you're going to get the microphone, you get a metal mesh pop filter, you get a foam windscreen, you get this shock mount, you get this desktop tripod stand which has a 5/8 to 3/8 inch adapter already attached on it. You get an XLR to 3.5mm cable, mine did not actually work, and you get some documentation. As far as the build quality, it doesn't feel great, but it is a $10 microphone. It does have a metal casing, a metal grill. It is on the light side, but that's what you would expect out of a $10 microphone kit, especially considering all the other stuff you get. When it comes to the reported specifications, this thing has a cardioid polar pattern, a frequency response of 20 Hz to 20 kHz, a sensitivity of negative 34 decibels, an impedance of 150 ohms, an equivalent noise level of 16 dBA, a max SPL of 130 decibels, and a signal-to-noise ratio of 78 dB. So now I'm spinning around the microphone to see what the actual polar pattern of this thing is and how the tone of my voice changes as we move around the microphone's capsule. Now I'm typing on Cherry MX Blues to see how much of my voice versus how much of the keyboard it picks up. Now I'm right on top of the microphone to see what kind of proximity effect you can get on this. Now I'm 1 foot away from the microphone, 2 feet away from the microphone, and about 4 feet away from the microphone. So now I'm using an XLR to 3.5mm cable plugging directly into the microphone input of a Windows 10 PC motherboard. I should note, I tried using the cable that was provided with this microphone package and it just did not work. I was getting no signal. All I could hear was this. I'll go ahead and include a clip right here. And lucky for them, I had an extra cable so I could test to see if it was the cable that was broken or the microphone. Turns out it was the cable. So yeah, this is how the microphone sounds connected directly to a Windows 10 PC with the input gain set at 100% and the microphone or audio boost at plus 20 decibels in the Windows audio preferences. Now just for ships and quibbles, I've connected the microphone using a SYBA USB audio adapter sound card. I don't recommend them, but I know people would ask the question, so I'm including the test, and my input gain for this test is set at 3%, and this is the audio quality you're getting in this situation. It's only $10. What the hell did you expect? Now, for the sake of being 100% candid with you, for $10, considering all the accessories you're getting here, I was surprised that this thing even turned on. So in terms of pros, it is just a dirt cheap microphone. I honestly have no idea how they're able to sell it for $9 to $10 considering what you're getting in the package. And also, as I already mentioned, you get a whole bunch of accessories, pretty much everything you need to start recording. And then in terms of cons, it is just a really noisy microphone, and also it has a severely limited use case considering when you use it with an XLR to XLR cable, it just doesn't work. So my overall thoughts of the microphone are it's $10. I can't really fault it for that much, and the fact that it even works for that price is just borderline miraculous. Now when it comes to recommending this microphone, I just don't think I can because of the limitations, because of the sound quality, and because there are other options out there in a relatively similar price range, although it may be a couple dollars more. But if you are somebody on an extremely tight budget of 10 or 20 bucks, then sure, go ahead and give this a shot. Maybe try out a USB sound card like the SYBA, even though that's not what I typically recommend. What I would recommend if you do want to pick this up is pick up a USB mixer thing that has a 3.5mm input so you can connect this microphone, get a consistent voltage to the mic, and get the best audio quality out of it. And since this is such a budget piece of gear, I have to include the disclaimer that you get what you pay for. If you're paying $10 for a full microphone kit, you cannot expect to get studio quality audio out of it, and you can't even expect everything that comes with the microphone to work. Like in my case, the cable didn't work right out of the box, so if I didn't have that extra XLR to 3.5mm cable lying around, I would be SOL, and this microphone would have been useless since it doesn't work using any other methods. So before you decide to buy the microphone, just keep that in mind. Do you really want to take the risk here, or do you want to save up a few more dollars and buy from a more reputable brand that doesn't offer so much stuff that almost seems too good to be true? Alright guys, I'm done for today. If you liked it, thumbs up. If you hated it, thumbs down. If you want me to review something, go check out geeksrising.com/podcastage. Check what microphones are there and cast a vote. Want more videos? Logo beneath me. Check out the Discord server, link in the description, and I will see you all later. Thanks for watching. Bye!